Back to our current affairs daily YouTube channel. I am going to discuss only few important current affairs from the Hindu paper or the Economic Times. And my name is Sukrit Bhushan. Please be in touch with me on a WhatsApp number. I hope you have my WhatsApp number. And watch all the current affairs lectures just before the examination. ठीक है? चलो आपका पेन एंड पेपर निकाल लो, कीप योर बुक हैंडी, मेक नोट्स एज मच एज पॉसिबल, एंड इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यू कैन आस्क मी मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस दैट यू कैन. Okay. For best clarity, I want you to please put on your headphones. ठीक है? All right. Now, one important current affairs news that you can see, I'm taking the Hindu paper that you can see in the headlines. ठीक है? Cyclone Amphan. All right. Cyclone Amphan, according to IMD, remember Indian Meteorological Department, it is a super cyclone. Now, what is a super cyclone? There are two types of cyclone. One is a smaller cyclone, a cyclone which will not be a diameter of more than 500 kilometer. Then you have a 1,000-kilometer cyclone, and then you have a 1,500-kilometer radius. All right, sorry, diameter. Okay, so the cyclone is very big. 7,500 to be precise as the radius, but 1,500-kilometer diameter cyclone has reached West Bengal. The airport, the international airport of Kolkata, has been completely underwater. All right, if you can see the recent current affairs. Okay? So this is cyclone, and it's a super cyclone. Remember, there are 2 or 3 types of different cyclone, but this is a super cyclone. This usually comes once in 100 years. So just to make a point, there is a possibility they may ask you this question. All right, let us go to the next point. Now, what are cyclones, what are tropical cyclone, ये थोड़ा सा है ना, मैं आपको थोड़ा मैप्स के साथ एक्सप्लेन भी करना चाहता हूँ. जस्ट नॉट आई वांट टू गिव यू करंट अफेयर्स, I don't want to give you just the importance of current affairs, but also a little understanding of what are tropical cyclones. ठीक है, so let us go to basic geography. ठीक है, ज़रा ध्यान देना इस पर. Now, ये दिख रहा है आपको ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ओके, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, एंड देन यू हैव इक्वेटर. ठीक है, ये जो बेल्ट है ना पिंक में, दिस इज नोन एज ट्रॉपिकल रीजन. What is it known as? It is known as tropical region. Now, what is a tropical? This is our entire Earth, but this belt between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is known as tropical area or tropical region. Now, what exactly is a tropical region? Just to give you a little idea, it is a region where the sun's rays will directly fall on the surface, where the sun's impact is the maximum. ठीक है, अभी आप यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा अर्थ पे देखोगे ना, तो यहाँ पे सन का रेज डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता है. इट इज़ इंक्लाइंड इन नेचर. Okay, tangential to be precise. Over here also the sun rays is not directly impact the earth, but on this area the sun is directly impacting. Understood? Now, this is Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn, this is equator. This area is known as tropical area. अभी होता क्या है, मैं अगर वापस ये पॉइंट पे चले जाऊँ, I'll just quickly erase the diagram so that I can explain it to you what happens. Now, in tropical areas, please make a note, in this tropical areas, when the sun's impact is direct, the evaporation is on the higher side. ठीक है, there is a very high temperature difference and the evaporation of water is on the higher side. This creates a low pressure belt and a high pressure belt. ठीक है, अब ये लो प्रेशर हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट से साइक्लोन कैसा होता है, दैट ओनली इन ज्योग्राफी लेक्चर विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, बट जस्ट टू गिव यू लिटिल क्लैरिटी, इन ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स, ऑल राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ लो प्रेशर एंड हाई प्रेशर डिफरेंस, cyclones are created. They happen majorly in tropical areas and this is purely because of direct impact of sun's rays. आपको बस इतना ही याद रखना है. Understood? Now, if in case they ask you कि which are the major countries that get affected, अगर आपको देखना है तो you see this Mexico area, all right, then you see this Seychelles and Madagascar area, West Bengal area, all right, then you see Indonesia and China area, then there is a small cyclonic activity that may happen in Australian area. So these are tropical cyclones. Why do they happen? Because of direct sun's impact. Now you know this point. Which are the countries that are affected? Also you know this point. It happens between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next important current affairs news, I want you to make a note of it, and that is Nepal is now requesting India to please, or they are requesting India to leave one area which is known as Kala Pani. All right, please make a note of this region. What is काला पानी and where exactly this काला पानी is located, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा समझाता हूँ. Now write down these three regions. यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है, I have made a highlight, just 1 second. Okay, please make a note of this area. Lipu Lake, Kala Pani and Limpiadhura. Lipu Lake, Kala Pani and Limpiadhura. Now where do these small places, these are very small districts, all right, are located. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको हमारा इंडिया नेपाल का बॉर्डर बता रहा हूँ. ऑल राइट, नाउ पे अटेंशन. दिस इज इंडिया, white region is India, this is Nepal and this is China. All right, now Kala Pani Limpu Lake is located exactly at the border of India and Nepal. Nepal says this area belongs to us, India says no, this area belongs to India. Now the point is, if this area goes to Nepal, Nepal में government कौन सी है? It is Nepal Communist Party. And China में government कौन सी है? It is Communist Party. Now these two parties have a good relationship with each other. Yes, Nepal is a Hindu country, it is a Hindu national, but it belongs to a Communist Party. So there is a high possibility, Indian think tank says, that if we give Kala Pani or Lipu Lake to Nepal, if even as a gesture of friendship, then there is a high possibility that China might, being an opportunistic country, use this area for army activities or defense activities. So India does not want to give Kala Pani and Lipu Lake, it belongs to India और वो India का ही रहेगा. All right, so this is one important news. You see there is a small banner which a woman is holding, respect Nepal's sovereignty, but India is saying we are really sorry, that area belongs to us. ठीक है, all right. This is important and I want you to please make a note. ये मैंने last time current affairs के live lecture में भी आपको बताया था. Remember the name of this company, Moderna. All right, Moderna is a company that makes pharmaceutical drugs. Now इन्होंने क्या किया, 45 लोगों के ऊपर अपना वैक्सीन कोविड-19 का टेस्ट किया, उसमें से 15 have shown very positive results. All right, so remember the name of the company Moderna, who has recently made a vaccine for COVID-19. 15 people out of 45 have recovered. All right, next important is Mr. and Miss Nirmala Sitharaman, 1.7 lakh crore, okay, package for only poor. 1 crore 70 lakh crore का package, 1.70 lakh crore का package only for poor has been given. Now remember, ये जो 20 lakh का package है ना, this is divided into 5 parts. Now I am going to explain in a different lecture what are these 20 lakh का package 5 parts में कहाँ पे discuss, कहाँ पर distribute हुआ है. So one is for MSME, कुछ farmers के लिए है, कुछ poor people who are unemployed, then there is an unorganized sector के लिए है, then middle income group के लिए है, MIG के लिए है. तो all these 5 sectors के ऊपर मैं एक अलग lecture बनाऊंगा. I'll explain you the 20 lakh phenomena, where exactly this money has been used. All right. So these are certain points. इसको pause करके एक एक point एक बार पढ़ लेना आप लोग. This may come in your examination, but just there is one important योजना, प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना. इस योजना को मत भूलो. 110% this is going to come in your examination. All right, let us go to the next point. I am picking up few important current affairs. These are the current affairs that have recently happened. Make a note of it. All right, Suresh Patel has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner in Chief Vigilance Commission, CVC. Now remember, there are 4 C's in India: CVC, CBI, CID can also be one of the major important. Then you have CAG, Comptroller Auditor General of India, and Intelligence Bureau. ठीक है, तो ये 4 मेजर सीज हैं और ये चारों सीज के जितने भी नए अपॉइंटमेंट होते हैं इंडिया में, प्लीज़ मेक अ नोट. सो मिस्टर सुरेश पटेल इज़ द करंट चीफ विजिलेंस कमीशन. देयर इज़ वन मोर सी एंड दैट इज़, रिमेंबर, चीफ कमिश्नर फॉर इलेक्शन. ऑल राइट, दैट इज़ चीफ इलेक्शन कमीशन, CEC. These are the 5 major C's of India. Remember, they are constitutional body. CID को छोड़ के बाकी सारे constitutional है. CVC हालांकि is not a constitutional body. Chief Vigilance, it is not a constitutional. It is a quasi judiciary body. There's a difference. Okay. Indian women team has been qualified for ODI Women World Cup 2021. Name the country which is going to host the tournament. That is New Zealand. याद रखना 2021 में वुमेन वर्ल्ड कप होने वाला है, ऑल राइट, एंड वुमेन वर्ल्ड कप इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड इन न्यूजीलैंड. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स पॉइंट. Okay, what is the approved amount under India COVID-19 emergency response and health preparedness package by government of India? That is 15,000 crore. ये तो फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में ही अनाउंस कर दिया था. Name the Indian state which has launched food bank initiative to help end hunger today for poor and needy people. The question is, answer is Manipur. ठीक है, फूड बैंक बहुत कम स्टेट्स ने स्टार्ट किया, मणिपुर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट. All right, let's go to the next current affairs. Name the IIT which has designed Warbot. All right, it is nothing but a robot है वो, medicine and can deliver medicine food for COVID-19 patients. So answer is IIT Ropar. एक बात याद रखना, IIT और IIS Indian Institute of Science, ये दो मेजर टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट के कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया, करंट अफेयर्स आया, याद रखो, वॉरबोट इज बीन मेड बाय रोपार. क्रिकेटर उमर अकमल from Pakistan was banned from international for 3 years for match fixing against which country? Is from which country? And that is Pakistan. Okay, next question. Noor is the first military satellite of which country? Answer is Iran. Iran India का बहुत अच्छा friend है, तो any question related to Iran comes, याद रखना, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learners series of online dialogues with students and educators in India. And the answer is the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes. Okay, just remember this point. Let us go to the next current affairs news. Name the term which is used by central bank under which funds are transferred from central bank to the state and union government, which empowers public to buy food grains. Okay, answer is helicopter money. मैं इसको वापस repeat करता हूँ. I think I have just erased the question while scribbling, so I'll just repeat the question. Helicopter money is a very fantastic concept. Just understand. Name the term which is used by the central bank, ठीक है, under which funds are transferred from the central bank to the state and union territory, which empowers the public with money to buy things. Answer is helicopter money. Basically क्या होता है ना, सेंट्रल बैंक का मतलब होता है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, ठीक है, transferred from central bank to the state and union government. जब RBI gives it to state government and central government so that it empowers the public with money to buy things, it is known as helicopter money. This was the first written by Milton Friedman. ये बहुत बड़े इकोनॉमिस्ट है अमेरिका के, इन्होंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट निकाला था, ठीक है. डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफ़र जिसको हम बोलते हैं, डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफ़र. जस्ट रिमेंबर, सेंट्रल बैंक से डायरेक्ट लोगों के खाते में जब पैसा जाता है for the public to buy money is known as helicopter money. Where is the headquarter of International Court for Justice? Answer is Hague, Netherlands. All right, pronunciation is Hague, Netherlands. All right, next question, quickly we'll finish this off. RBI has cancelled the licenses to conduct banking business of which urban cooperative bank? Answer is Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. याद रखो, RBI has the legal right to give license and to cancel license. तो recently which urban cooperative bank का license okay has been cancelled? Answer is Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Okay, Noel Quinn has been appointed as CEO of the multinational bank. Answer is HSBC. There are certain appointments that you need to remember. All right, quickly name the person who has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner. Sanjay Kothari, CVC. Name the person who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. Answer is Sanjay Kothari. On the occasion of Chinese Space Day, that was on 24th of April, China has named first Mars exploration. Answer is Tianwen-1. याद रखना, जैसे हमने मंगलयान, चंद्रयान और गगनयान बनाया, तो उनके भी स्पेस एजेंसीज के कुछ मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स के नाम याद रखना. Tianwen-1. All right, so thank you very much. I hope you have understood major important current affairs. And keep in touch with me. If in case you have any doubts and difficulties, we'll be in touch. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.